I was working on something. No! No! I know, I'll play some Minecraft to get my mind off of things. Oh my god. Bruh, these cost loads of money. Wait. I got a fix for this!
Yes. The terminal. Huh. How does shit work? What the fuck?
Hey, that's pretty good. And here we have it, the Ryzen 5 5600X. It's got like core and as much level 3 cache as a package of floppy disks. And I also got some RAM. Nobody gives a shit about RAM anyway. But in order to use this on my shit-ass old motherboard, I'm gonna need a BIOS update, which I'll do now. Why does this look so scary? Oh my god. No, it's taking too long. And now we can finally install it. Though we should probably clean it out first. Are they compensating for something? I think they're compensating for something. So loud! Oh my god!
I am rather looking forward to this analysis. You can't be serious. Yes, this all looks nominal.
No, stop! What are you...
And now that we got that one removed, now I just gotta remove this one. Must savor this moment. Ooh. So this is the cooler, I'm guessing. Looks suspiciously like the one that I got with the other one. Okay, that's boring. But this is most definitely not boring. Bruh, this looks exactly like the one I took out. What the heck? But I have been promised this one's faster though. The numbers are bigger. Oh, then I gotta get it dirty again. That's enough. I actually could use some more. Bruh, seriously though, how tight should these be on, man? I don't know. I want to do it just like tight enough, and I've had problems. I guess I'll just go in and tighten them some more, man. I don't know. I don't want to break anything. Okay, that's good enough. Oh wait, I almost forgot. The crunchy bits. Okay, come on. Rams. Amazing! There we go, it's all put together. Now it's time for some gaming. Hey, this one's pretty good. 80, 60, 50.
Hey!